And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Take care of your dogs and cats. Be kind to everyone.
Take care of your friends and families. Bye.
This is Sea Lion leader Mia Villatoro with this week's announcements. MAGA Idol is almost here. High-quality digital music files were due to Mr. Larson on September 19th. Be sure to get your music submitted right away. Congratulations to all the classes that have reached 100% with PTA memberships. You still have time to sign up and get that classroom reward. Did you know that PTA Carnival is coming on October 18th? You can support by donating to the prize booth. Drop off any new and unopened toys, party favors, school supplies, beads, or plushies to the bin in the main office. UTK, kindergarten, and 5th grade need to dress their best on Monday because it's picture day. Support Project Seek on Tuesday by visiting Yogurtland in the Rossmore Shopping Center. Mention Project Seek to the cashier and they'll donate 20% of the proceeds to support STEM and art at MAGA. Sea Lion Chorus is on Wednesday after school. Thanks for getting involved. Interested in PTA reflections? Come with a parent to the Creative Corner on Wednesday from 4:30 to 6:30. They are meeting at lunch benches and are ready to help with your project. Speaking of PTA reflections, the due date to submit your project is on Wednesday, October 1st. This year's theme is I Belong. Picture Day continues on Friday. Grades 1, 2, 3, and 4 will have their pictures taken throughout the day. Friday is the last day to sign up for the 4th grade trip to Sacramento. You can get more details from your teacher. The 5th grade t-shirt design contest is ending on Friday. Make sure you submit your design this week. The Angels are playing the Astros on Friday starting at 6:40 p.m. Thanks for buying tickets to support 5th grade activities. Thank you so much, Sea Lion. Let's make it a great week.
I want to say thank you to Miss Oba because last year she was so kind and sweet to me.
I appreciate Miss Aniceto because I'm super excited for the upcoming plays in the future. I want to say thank you to Miss Lines because she was a great 2nd grade teacher. Thank you, Miss Lines.
I want to say thank you to Miss Houston. She's out of school right now, but she was a good 4th grade teacher. I really miss her.
I appreciate Miss Glee because she's really nice and kind. I appreciate Miss Ober because she makes every lesson fun. I appreciate Miss Lee because she was the best teacher last year.
Thank you to Miss Sizemore. You teach us so well.
Miss Breedlove is the kindest teacher because she lets us play Prodigy, Book It, and let us have brain breaks.
I appreciate Miss Pinkston because she's kind and sweet.
High five.
I got a raw book.
Nice. Nice. Way to go.
UTK.
Put your hands together to celebrate UTK student from Miss Seigen's class, Presley Harshman. Presley took her time to sort out some of the trays correctly at lunch. Thanks so much, Presley. We appreciate you taking care of our school.
Kindergarten.
Let's keep the celebrations coming for Mrs. Sizemore's kindergarten student, Finley Scarborough. She said that Finley was a great helper during free play. Thanks for helping others to clean up. Thanks, Finley.
1st grade.
Miss Skinner wants to recognize 1st grader Mark Villatoro. She said that Mark was very kind in reminding the TK boys to wash their hands. We appreciate it, Mark. You're being a leader when nobody's watching.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Aniceto wants to celebrate 2nd grader Maureen Ishiki. She said that Maureen always stops and looks right at me whenever it's time to listen. Nice job. That's called taking control over your learning.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Labounty wants to celebrate third grader Rinka Ishiki. She said that Rinka modeled raw behavior by being responsible and completing all of her assignments. Way to go, Rinka!
4th grade.
Our 4th grade winner comes from Dr. Aris's class. Put your hands together for Damian Cruz. Mrs. Martinez says that Damian stayed after lunch to help stack trays without being asked. It was really nice of him, and he's doing all he can to give back to the school.
5th grade.
The celebration continues with 5th grader Elena Diatalevi. Miss Jeter in the well space said that Elena stayed after the bell to help put the well space back together without hesitation. Thanks so much, Elena. We appreciate you taking care of that space. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!